Hi friends, this is your A sir. Today I have come up with a new concept, decimal and fraction. So we do some problems in this chapter. The first problem reads like this. Which of the following sets of numbers is in ascending order? Let me read it again. Which of the following sets of numbers is in ascending order? What is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means from smaller number to bigger number. Understood? So let us take one set. Clear? And let us change this into decimals. Let us change this into decimals. So 13 by 15 is your first sum. 13 by 15. So what we do? We divide 13 by 15. So it won't go. Point. So 1 0 comes. 1 0 comes. 15 8 ja 120. 10 0. 15 6 ja 90. Again 10. 15 6 ja 90. So it will come like this. 0.8666 like that we get a recurring decimal. So let us write. So your 13 by 15 is equal to 0.866. So now let us find the value of 11 by 13. That means you have to divide 11 by 13. Clear? It won't go. Take one decimal, 0. So 13, 8 ja. 8 3 ja 24 to 8 and 2 10. 6 0. So here 13 4 ja. How much? 52. 8 0. Next 13. How many times it will go? 13 8 6 ja. 18 1 7. So 0.846. 0.846. So now let us take the third number, 9 by 11. That means you have to divide 9 with 11. So it won't go. You have to keep one decimal and take one 0. 11 8 ja 88. 2 0. 11 1 ja 11. 9 0 8 ja. So this is 0.818. So now we changed all the fractions into decimals. Now we can keep them in ascending order very easily. So which one out of these three decimal numbers, which one is the least one? 0.818. So clear? Next, this one. Next, this one. So which option is there? Like that? B. So your B is the right answer. I think you understood how to solve this type of questions very easily. So this is your second problem. Let me read the problem. 5 to the power of 0.25 into 125 to the power of 0.25 by 256 to the power of 0.1 into 256 to the power of 0.15. So here, let me tell you one thing. In this one, 5 to the power of 0.25, this 5 is called base. This 5 is called what? Base. And this is called power. Clear, understood? This 5 is called base, and this whatever is there written here, this is called power. That 0.25 is there now, that is called power. So as far as possible, what we should do, we should equate, we should make the base equal. As far as possible, we should make the base equal. Here 5 to the power of 0.25. You cannot reduce this, but you can do this. 125 means what? 5 to the power of 3 or 5 cube. 5 into 5 we can write 125. That means 5 cube. So in place of this 125, I write 5 cube to the power of 0.25. So you have one formula. What is that? A to the power of x whole to the power of y is equal to a to the power of xy. Let me tell you again. A to the power of x whole to the power of y. A to the power of x whole to the power of y is equal to a to the power of xy. So here your 5 cube whole to the power of 0.25 is there. So you can simplify that as 5 to the power of this 3 and 0.25 you have to multiply. 3 into 0.25. So again let us simplify this. If you multiply 5 to the power of 0.75 you get. What you get? If you multiply 3 and 0.25, what you get? 0.75. So here you see, here base is same. Base is same. If base is the same and you have to multiply them, you have one formula. What is that? A to the power of x into a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x plus y. What is the formula? A to the power of x into a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x plus y. So here you have 5. So 5 to the power of 0.25 plus 0.75. If you add these two, what you get? 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 1 is nothing but 5. So what we do? We keep 5 here. That means we simplified what? The numerator. Now let us simplify the denominator. In denominator, your base is same, 256. So what you should do? You should add the powers. Here base is 256, 256, same. So you have to add the powers. So if you add these two, then what you get? 0.25 you get. Clear? So now let us write this 256 into factors. How can we write 16 into 16? How can we write 16 into 16? Again, let us break this 16 also. 4 into 4, 4 into 4. So your 256 is equal to 4 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 0.25. Understood? So here, like our previous, when we are simplifying the numerator, same thing happens. What? A to the power of x whole to the power of y is equal to a to the power of xy. So in the same way, 4 to the power of these two you have to multiply. 4 into 0.25. 4 into 0.25 is equal to how much? 1. So 4 to the power of 1 is equal to how much? 4. So if you simplify this, you get this answer. So which one is the right option? B is your right option. So if you simplify this, you get 5 by 4. So your next sum reads like this. 3 to the power of 3.5 into 21 square into 42 to the power of 2.5 divided by 2 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5 is equal to 21 to the power of what? Clear? Let me read it again. 3 to the power of 3.5 into 21 square into 42 to the power of 2.5 divided by 2 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5 is equal to 21 to the power of what? So first what we do, let us make the base of each number into a smaller one. So 3 to the power of 3 by 5, we cannot do anything. So we keep like that only. Whereas 21 is that, we can break 21 into 3 7 job. So 3 into 7 to the power of 2 into 42. How can we write 42? 7 into 3 into 2 to the power of 2.5 divided by 2 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5. Clear? RHS we keep like that. First of all, we simplify LHS. Clear? So now you remember BODMAS. When we simplify any numbers, we should remember this rule, BODMAS. What is the full form of BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first of all, we should simplify the brackets. 3 to the power of 3.5 into 3 square into 7 square into 7 to the power of 2.5 into 3 to the power of 2.5 into 2 to the power of 2.5 divided by 2 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5. So in BODMAS, B is over. We do not have any half. So let us go to division. Here you have division. So you should change that into multiplication. What happens? Let us see. Into, you have to reverse this, 1.2 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5. These two cancel. Clear? Now you have only in two bases, one is 3 and other one is 7. Let us assemble all the numbers which have 3 as a base into one group. And let us assemble all the numbers which have 7 as a base into another group. So 3 to the power of 3.5 into 3 square into 3 to the power of 2.5. Clear? Into 7 to the power of 2, 7 to the power of 2.5 into 7 to the power of 3.5. So, you see, Already we know one formula. What is that? A to the power of x plus b to the power of y. A to the power of x into a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x plus y. So what you should do here, you have to add the powers. 3 to the power of 3.5 plus 2 plus 2.5. In the same way, 7 to the power of 2 plus 2.5 plus 3.5. So if you add, you get 8. So 3 to the power of 8 into 7 to the power of 8. Here powers are same. Powers are same. So you can multiply the what? Base. So 21 to the power of 8. This is your LHS. What is your RHS? 21 to the power of what? So here bases are same. So power should be same. So your answer will be 8. So A is the right answer. Yeah, I think you understood this problem.